Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to translate text in Google Sheets automatically. You can automatically translate text in Google Sheet using the built-in Google Translate function, right? So the quick method, click on the cell where you want the translated text to appear, for example, B2, right? And type the following formula. Right? Replacing EN with your source language and ES or Spanish with your target language, right? So the source language is English, for example, and the target language is Espanol, okay? And hit enter. Click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply that translation to multiple rows. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see ya.